thought I already had the bill wrapped up high enough.
For what?
For the diapers and formula.
What were you trying to get?
That book.
Say patty cake, baker man. Yeah.
She did run up and go to her brother, and I don't know if she went back down after
Pancake,
She's
pancake.
asking me if she can play a game, and I said no right now.
Roll them up, throw them in the pan. Cake, cake.
You can take that bib off over. It's probably still
Man, that's gonna be such a long walk to Bobby.
Woo.
Ice cream.
Pancake, baker man.
Let's find another ice cream shop.
Cake, 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 cake.
Might be good for us.
Roll them up, throw them in the pan.
We might be able to see some results from our hard work. Versus just eating Bobby's ice cream.
Cake.
That's not very bad.
It's not ice
Pancake, pancake.
It's not ice cream.
custard.
Jada, it's not ice cream.
No? I say it's ice cream.
It's
It's cold and it tastes good. Oh, goodness. Oh.
You know, they do have like
Pancake, baker man.
Yeah.
Roll them up, roll them up.
$1 more.
Roll them up, roll them up. Throw them in the pan. Throw them in the pan. Oh, come here. Come here.
You been taking a nap?
Really? Is this your way of trying to keep you from drinking your soda?
Hey, I have to be able to tell. No, I have a little thing on my lip. Too late now, huh?
I've been drinking your soda all day.
Hey, I don't think it's anything contagious. It's just sore. Pancake. But you'll know in a few days. Hey, princess.
Hey, Dog. Go out to the Armada and get my purse out of there.
Kick, kick.
So I can pay my bills.
Are you ticklish?
Hey, you owe me some money. I don't know what for, but pay up.
I do. I owe you $21.